Welcome to another informative video by HR How To, your trusted source of HR and career-related advice trusted by millions of followers all over the world. Visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library. Career advice: how to find a job in Dubai from the US. In this blog post, I will provide some valuable advice to help you land your dream job in Dubai. An important point to keep in mind is that if you are looking to search for and secure a job offer while applying from the United States, I want to warn you that getting hired is nearly impossible. Employers prefer the candidate to be physically present in the UAE to make a hiring decision. Therefore, if you are serious about working in the UAE, you need to be in the UAE physically. Research your profession to see if it's in demand. The first step you must take to find a job in Dubai from the US is to see if it's in demand. You can also look into the job market by talking to professionals in the industry and networking with them. Tweak your resume to make it stand out from the competition. Once you have done your research and familiarized yourself with the job market, you will need to start tweaking your resume to make it stand out from the competition. Attest all your educational documents. The next step is to attest all your educational documents, as these are required for skilled professionals to work in the UAE. Another unusual procedure that is important to find a job in Dubai from the US is that you should also get your work experience documents attested. Visa on arrival for US citizens. Once you have attested all your documents, you can buy a ticket and receive a visa on arrival in the UAE. Checklist of things to buy before departing. Travel bag. You will need a sturdy travel bag because you will be living from your suitcase in the UAE until you have a stable job and home. Day bag. No matter where you travel, having a day bag with you is essential whenever you leave your room. Travel adapter. The wall outlets in the UAE are different compared to North American wall outlets. You won't be able to plug in your devices, such as smartphones, laptops, or tablets, without a travel adapter. Find a bed space or room for rent. Before you arrive in the UAE, it is better to have your accommodation booked. You will need to find a bed space or room for rent. Ensure quick access to public transportation. The metro is the best way to get around in Dubai, while the other Emirates do not have a metro train. Aside from Dubai, you will need a car to get around in other Emirates. Start applying for jobs on Indeed and LinkedIn. Once you have sorted out your accommodation and transportation, you can start applying for jobs on Indeed and LinkedIn. Additionally, include keywords in your resume and cover letter that match the job description, as this will help improve your chances of getting a callback. Apply for only those jobs for whom you are fully qualified. Only apply for employment with experience, as this could harm your chances of getting a callback. Avoid job scams. Finally, avoid job scams that promise to get you a job in return for a fee. Appear for interviews on time and dress for success. When you get invited for an interview, make sure to appear on time and dress for success. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on informative content from HR How To. Links to full tutorials will be shared in the description box located below. You can also visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library.